Hello folks, so in this video I wanted to talk about phishing emails and security issues, right? So this was around last month, mid last month when I had joined my company, the current company that I'm working in. So basically when I joined exactly around that time they had spoken about how there are some phishing emails being sent to the company employees. So the security team basically and the teams working on ensuring that everything is secure, say IT and others apart from security teams. So they basically send a message to all the people in the company that hey, we have been notified that users are receiving phishing email and claiming their devices were hacked and all. So it's claiming personal videos, like claiming the devices were hacked, and claiming personal videos were and stuff were recorded and demanding Bitcoin payment, right? So and they clearly mentioned that this is a phishing email, this is a scam. Please do not panic and all. So apparently, these emails were sent in bulk using scare tactics. For example, hey, we hacked your device, we have access to your personal videos, and stuff like that. And so they basically said the sender does not have any access to your device, camera, or data unless you interacted with a suspicious link or file that they sent beforehand. So basically, they just said what you should do. Basically, they just said don't reply and all, don't click on any links, don't download anything, and don't send money. So delete the email immediately. I'm not sure why that was told, but and report it to the infosec team, and gave the mail ID of the infosec team. And then if you clicked or link, if you click the link or open an attachment, notify us immediately, like to ensure that. Nothing has gone wrong, because when you click a link or open an attachment, it can lead you to places, and things can happen, especially opening attachments and clicking links. There are different ways to do things, I guess, but they just want to ensure that nothing has happened, so they're like, just send us an email immediately. And since I hadn't joined the company yet, I didn't get such an email. But let's read through the email that came up apparently. So this is the example from the infosec team, who mentioned that this is the kind of email that came up to one of the people in the company. So the email subject stated, you have outstanding debt. Okay, debt is in like loan debt. So email body. So hello there. So this is the email that was sent, right? Which was a phishing or scam basically. Basically a scam, because phishing you usually basically send. For example, if I'm running Google company and someone else copies my Google website similar and makes something similar to Google website and tries to imitate as Google, then I should warn my users saying, hey, check the URL and ensure that you are on the right website if you are trying to access Google, because there are some bad and malicious entities, like say hackers, like black hat hackers who have malicious intentions, who are trying to imitate the Google website and trying to make you click on the website and get your data, say your credentials for Google or anything like that, and then use that to hack your accounts and data. So this is kind of like a scam than a phishing, because they were not trying to imitate any specific product or service or anything, or a company, by giving some similar website but not the like more like the fake website, instead of the real. Like, why would they give the real website if they're trying to scam you? So yeah, let's look at the email. So it said you have outstanding debt. So weird that they said that you have outstanding debt, because that sounds like a email from a financial institution like a bank or something. Anyways, so the email body said, hello there, unfortunately there are some bad news for you. So around several months ago, I have obtained access to your devices that you are using to browse internet. So it says devices, okay? So around several months ago, I have obtained access to your devices that you are using to browse internet. Subsequently, I have proceeded with tracking down internet activities of yours. Below is the sequence of past events. In the past, I have bought access from hackers to numerous email accounts. Today, that is a very straightforward task that can be done online, is mentioned in the bracket. So clearly, I have effortlessly logged into email account of yours, mentioning the email account, which is a company email account in this case. A week after that, I have managed to install Trojan virus to operating systems of all your devices that are used for email access. Actually, that was quite simple because you were clicking the links in inbox emails. All smart things are are quite straightforward with some face, um, and then like annoyed face, and then the software of mine allows me to access to all controllers in your devices, such as video camera, microphone, and keyboard. So I have managed to download all your personal data as well as web browsing history and photos to my servers. So basically, they're saying they got all your personal data, web browsing history, and photos, and they have it in their servers. They have ensured that it's put there, it's uploaded there, or they say downloaded. Basically, with respect to the server, it's called downloaded, but with respect to them, it's like uploading to the server. So I can access all messengers of yours, say, as well as emails, social networks, contacts list, and even chat history. My virus unceasingly refreshes its signatures since it is driver based. I don't know what they were trying to say here, I'm not sure. And hereby stays invisible for your antivirus. So by now you should already understand the reason why I remained unnoticed until this very moment. While collecting your information, I have found out that you are also a huge fan of websites for adults. So this is kind of to say, I think, porn or similar obscene websites. You truly enjoy checking out porn websites and watching dirty videos while having a lot of kinky fun. I have recorded several kinky scenes of yours and montaged some videos where you reach orgasms while passionately masturbating. So, some pretty intense words there, very obscene words there. Um, Not exactly family friendly. Not exactly family friendly. If you still doubt my serious intentions, it only takes a couple of mouse clicks to share your videos with your friends, relatives, and even colleagues. It is also not a problem for me to allow those videos for access of public as well. I truly believe you would not want this to occur. Understanding how special are the videos you love watching, you're clearly aware of that. All that stuff can result in a real disaster for you. Let's resolve it like this. All you need is 1450 US dollars. Transfer to my account Bitcoin equivalent based on exchange rate during your transfer, and after the transaction is successful, I will proceed to delete all that kinky stuff without delay. Afterwards, we can pretend that we have never met before. I mean, they didn't meet them, but basically, uh, you know, contacted each other before. Anyway, in addition, I assure you that all the harmful software will be deleted from all your devices. Be sure I keep my promises. I have no idea how people believe, scammers. Like, even if it's a true problem, how can they believe that they'll surely keep their promise once you send their money, their ransom money? So that is quite a fair deal with a low price, bearing in mind that I have spent a lot of effort to go through your profile and traffic for a long period. So if you are unaware how to buy and send bitcoins, it can be easily fixed by searching all related information online. So below is Bitcoin wallet of mine, and they mention some string of characters. I think it's a unique ID to a Bitcoin wallet. You're given not more than 48 hours after you have opened this email, 2 days to be precise. Below is the list of actions that you should not attempt doing. So basically, you should not attempt doing apparently. So do not attempt to reply my email. So the email in your inbox was created by me together with return address. So do not attempt to call police or any other security services. Moreover, don't even think to share this with friends of yours. Once I find that out, make no doubt about it, I can do that effortlessly, bearing in mind that I have full control over all your systems. The video of yours will become available to public immediately. Do not attempt to search for me. There is completely no point in that. All cryptocurrency transactions remain anonymous at all times. Do not attempt reinstalling the OS on devices of yours or get rid of them. It is meaningless too, because all your videos are already available at remote servers that the scammer owns. At least that's what they're saying, though it's all a lie. Below is a list of things you don't need to be concerned about. That I will not receive the money you transferred. Don't worry, I can still track it after the transaction is successfully completed, because I still monitor all your activities. Trojan virus of mine includes a remote control option, just like TeamViewer. That I still will make your videos available to public after your money transfer is complete. Believe me, it is meaningless for me to keep on making your life complicated. If I indeed wanted to make it happen, it would happen long time ago. So they're saying, don't worry, don't be concerned about these things, that the money will not reach them, or that that they'll still make your videos public and all, even after getting the ransom. And they say, believe me, it's meaningless for me to keep on making your life complicated, though they can keep asking for ransom again and again. Everything will be carried out based on fairness. Wow, very fair people. Before I forget, moving forward, try not to get involved in this kind of situations anymore. And advice from me, regularly change all the passwords to your accounts. Wow, some advice over there. And basically the company has mentioned, after mentioning this is the email, request all not to respond and not to click on any links. It is a phishing email or like scamming email. So yeah, crazy stuff. Basically they were trying to say that they have access to some personal videos and data and all that, and obscene stuff and whatnot, and that they will leak it to your friends, family, colleagues, or even the public, or all of it, and to get money, like to send money to the Bitcoin wallet and whatnot. Even if this is all true, it's not a great idea to just send them money, and also it's not a great idea to panic. It's better to talk to people who you love and care about, who also love and care about you, to actually discuss about this and tell that this is something that has happened, and you don't send them money, and deal with the situation where your data and your personal videos and personal stuff has leaked to someone. Anyway, so yeah, that's all I had for this video, talking about a security issue like that can happen in a company or even to individuals. It was a very interesting email where they were slowly and steadily building up the whole story and telling you to just send money, and taking care of many points like don't attempt to call the police or reinstall the OS, or searching for them and whatnot, and then replying to the email and all. And also don't worry about the money not reaching them, and also them still leaking your videos or whatever, your personal data, even after the transfer is complete, like the ransom money is transferred. So yeah, that's all I had for this video, talking about like scamming email than a phishing email. But yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you next one. Bye bye.